Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. In this video, I'm talking about the question, how to join the LiveGood opportunity. With that said, let's dive in. All right, so in terms of joining the LiveGood opportunity, it's actually really easy. There's a link where you can take a tour down in the description below. And if you like what you see, just simply fill out the information and decide exactly how you want to join. LiveGood is basically a health and wellness platform, a membership platform, similar to Netflix, Amazon, etc., where you pay a tiny monthly subscription, and basically in return, you get health and wellness products at a largely discounted price, wholesale prices. Along with that, there is a business opportunity where there's roughly 6 ways that you can earn income. And the more you build this business, the more you're going to make. Anyhow, I would love to help you grow your LiveGood business. And if you want to check it out, just go ahead and check the description down below. There'll be a link so that you can take the tour and, of course, fill out 3 pieces of data in the contact form, and you can easily join the LiveGood business. Enjoy the rest of your day. Drop a quick like and subscribe. Take care.